living for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right.
Welcome back, besties. If you haven't seen part 1, the link is in the description. But to catch y'all up, we survived the chaos, made it to the resort, and day 1 ended beautifully. Now let me show you what the rest of the trip looked like. We actually stayed at Grand Palladium in Jamaica, the Lady Hamilton side. We were able to get a tour of this beautiful luxury room. It's a part of their new premium package that they have, which is a part of the Palladium membership plan. And it's like an upgraded room. I love this room. You get an outside shower. The tub is amazing. The room is so modern. And you get your own view of the ocean and access to this beautiful, beautiful members only beachside. Hey y'all, so I'm with my husband, my handsome husband. We actually just got finished doing a little tour around the resort for a little, what is it called? Like a travel club membership or whatever. So right now it looks a little overcast, but I want to go get some sun on the beach. And yeah, this is our outfit. Our baby little star.
My wife looking hot and
Do me,
sexy
baby.
as fuck. Oh, I love doing you. I love doing you. I know, baby. I know. There she
Here's
is.
my outfit.
Outfit of the day. She got on that pink, calm Nike slides. You know,
Pink toes.
pink toes. Ooh. Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna go on the beach. We're gonna go to the coffee shop really quick and get some coffee and go probably get a cabana or maybe save the cabana till tomorrow. But come along with us.
Let's go. Yo, YouTube, oh God. Yeah, wife, yeah, walk out, huh? Walk out the resort, check out the place. Place look nice. Yeah.
So this resort is an all-inclusive. It is not adults only. It's family friendly. There's 2 sides. There's the Jamaica side and the Lady Hamilton side. They are doing some renovations at this time, but you just have to be patient with them. The coffee shop, everything is already included. The only things that we had to actually pay for was an energy drink, cakes, pies, cupcakes, cheesecake.
We're gonna do 2 more for her, alright?
Pina colada.
Yeah, I think that should do it for everybody. Next right here, we got some mixed vegetables. You love veggies, right? Yeah. Let's go there. Extra veg for them too, right here. Alright. That one to get away. Right, here we go, nice and easy. Oh, you want to get a photo? You want to get a photo? Alright, here we go, everybody. Welcome to God's Valley in Jamaica. Alright, so you know my friend over here, this guy, he doesn't talk a lot. What's your name, my guy? Huh? What do you say? George. George? George. I'm my ex tonight, so George, you ready? Now listen up, George. If you miss, no food for you. George, you ready? You ready? Come on, everybody. You ready? Come on. Come on. Let's get together and feel alright. And I wake up. Alright, here we go again, nice and easy. Hey, we getting the video, right? That's right. Keep it running, keep it running, keep it running. I got something for you, keep it running. Yeah, don't worry, Chef Jamie could have let it up. Okay. Come on, put it out here, look at it.
Let's do a quick outfit check. You know, this is just for a little trip off of the resort. We are actually going to drop off my fabric to the seamstress for beach rave. So it's just a quick little trip off the resort and then back to the resort because I got to get a little sun in me. So, and I'll show y'all the room when we get back. But I am going to take you on a ride because I want you to see, you know, my seamstress and everything. And baby, do you have anything to say to the vlog this morning? It is day 3. Is it day 3?
Yeah.
Yesterday it rained. So hopefully, pray to God that we get some good sun. And I have not been picking up the camera like I should be because I've just been enjoying my husband and enjoying the resort. But today when we get back and we get on the beach and, you know, of course I'm going to take y'all. We got some little videos to do, some TikToks and stuff. And I can't wait to tell y'all about my trip and what happened and how I got here and how I almost didn't get here. I can't wait to fill y'all in. So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. And I will be right back. So yes, y'all, I have my own seamstress in Jamaica. She is the bomb.com. Like, I hold on to her tight. She did my birthday dress and it was amazing. My husband is a promoter and they're having this really big beach rave party in May. So I have to have my outfit custom made because who are you?
A few moments later.
So I've got to tell you guys about this amazing cabana. Y'all, we were lucky to get it because it had been booked out and somebody did not show up. So we were able to get their spot. And the cabana came with a hookah, champagne with 2 glasses, an igloo full of drinks, services like the waitress come and bring you food. You don't have to go stand in line. You don't have to look for food. She brings you all of that. You get it from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. It's so private. It's so cool. It's just really, really nice. It was the highlight of my trip, honestly. Although this was a very short trip, I was just so grateful to be able to spend it with my husband. So much happened leading up to this trip. I was like, God, am I not supposed to go? So much. Family emergencies, the flight issues. It was just so much going on. Oh my God, so much that I have not even shared with you guys. But this is the most important thing right here. Just being with my husband, having a good time, spending time with him and just soaking up this amazing Jamaica weather. I just love my home. I love being here. I love being in Jamaica. And of course, I wouldn't be Ashley if I did not get any work done. This little quiet time allowed me to just reflect, look at the things that I need to do upcoming week, sort out some business things that I need to take care of, and just be present. This is how my husband and I do all the time. How we are on the phone. We don't even have to be all up in each other's face at times. We give each other space to breathe, but we're both handling our own business. I love that for us. And I know it's the end of my vacation, but don't judge me. I get my maintenance done before I leave Jamaica. I know that's crazy. I got my hair braided because they rob you in the US. I got my nails done because my sister does a very good job, and I had to stop by our barber to let him hit up my eyebrows before I left. I'm telling you, I love, love, love Jamaica. That will always be my forever home. Finally made it to the airport. I'm sitting here. I'm not even sad. I'm full of good food, good memories, and love that proves itself every single time. 95 days felt like forever, but this was so worth every single one. Again, to my YouTube family, thank you so much for rocking with me, for watching my husband and I journey, for sticking with me. We read all the comments and we appreciate and love you all. I'm going to shout out my bestie of the week. It's going to go to Pretty TNW. Thank you so much for all the comments, all the love that you leave for my husband and I, and the well wishes. We definitely appreciate it. Don't worry, you may be my bestie of the week next time. Just stay tuned and keep commenting. If you're not already subscribed, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also like and share this video. And don't forget, I'm Ashley Delore, your LDR wife who is married to her Jamaican husband. And if you like that type of content, go ahead and rock with your girl. Go ahead and subscribe. Hype out this video even if you like. Thank you much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right.